I broke down to one of the like the on-call doctor at that point because I was becoming one of my patients.
Code 66, a call this nurse is used to responding to, but Katrina Bringus was the one lying in a hospital bed with COVID-19, about to be transferred to the ICU. She's sharing her story of fighting on the front lines to fighting for her life at the very same hospital she works at.
I've sent a lot of patients as well to ICU, and I know it's like 50-50. You can't really like tell whether you can still survive or you'll die. Right? So I'm at that point, like it's like realizing that this is happening now to me. I actually called my parents and my youngest sister's actually in California. They live there. It's hard. Like I actually literally said goodbye.
The 41-year-old, along with her sister and her sister's family, tested positive in early January. Still on vacation from Foothills Medical Center, Bringus used a vital signs kit to check on her sister while isolating at home.
Just like put it in your finger and then it will tell you your oxygen level.
But their conditions worsened. They were admitted to Foothills January 10th, staying in the same COVID unit room before staff called Code 66, a critical warning as Bringus's blood pressure began rising. It was time to go to intensive care. My lungs got really inflamed by the COVID pneumonia. Like basically my lungs are failing. Intubated and ventilated, she says the next few days were a blur. Bringus was transferred back to the COVID unit January 26, where she was treated for an infection and a second case of pneumonia before being discharged 3 days later. Bringus normally works her regular unit at Foothills, but was on days off and isn't sure how she contracted the virus. And after almost a year of working through a pandemic, she has more reason to thank her colleagues after her chilling insight of being on the other side.
Yeah, even if you're young, this can happen to you. It's emotional. Am I traumatized? Yes, of course I'm traumatized. I almost died. I couldn't believe that it will happen to me.
In Calgary, Crystal Adaris, City News.